Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Group 6 want to presentation for the rental property business. And then this group 6 the consists I'm Zarudeli and Adi Satrio Wicaksono and then Raffi Ardian Yusuf. Okay. Okay. First, title project is the rental property business. This project presents data on the number of transactions of the property business per year. Therefore, the objective of the project is to analyze the data to find and spell out some new information. Okay, first table customer. The table customer product details has 9 columns, namely customer ID, customer name, customer birth, age, customer address, customer type, country, region, and postal code. In this table, author use the datif which is used calculate time such as days, month, and year. In this table, the author requires age data on the customer to make it easier for the author. The formula used is the datif C3, C3, today, and year. And this the customer name, the use the function need, this BISO, and character length use the len, and then result the 10.
Let's go into the table property. From this table, we can get information. What is the property category, the class, the address, the cost price per year and sales price, and also the property ID. There is 6 columns in table property. There is property ID, which consists of ID of each upper property. Next is category, which is divided by 3: apartment, house, and sub-house. And next is column class, which is consists of three kinds: suite A, suite B, and suite C. And the next column is property address. Next is cost price per year, and the last is sales price. And we can see on the right there is 2 small tables. At the above there is 2 columns, code and property mutation. This table on the upper right, it will be used on the next table for table mutation. And for the down the upper right, there is a small table that consists of 4 columns: category, class, and cost price per year, and sales price. Table mutation. On table mutation, there is 5 columns, consists of build date, address, sales price, code, and property mutation. And that is consists of the date of the property builded, the address is the property address, and the sales price is the price that will be sold to the customer. It is using formula VLOOKUP, different from the previous table from table property. And the code, the next is column is code, which is consists of code RI01 and RI02. This code is referred from the small table from the previous table from the table property. And the last column is property mutation. And this property mutation, there's 2 conditions: in rent and open book. And this also referred from the previous small table on the table property from code and property mutation column. It use VLOOKUP formula. Table transaction. From this table, we can get information, the transaction story that happened, and this report make. In this table, there is 14 column consists of the transaction ID. The transaction ID is the unique ID for the transaction that happened, and the next column is transaction date, is the when the transaction is happened, and the next column is rent and year date. Rent and date is the date where the rent is ended, and the next column is rent year. The rent year is used dative that refers from the rent and date and transaction date in year. The next column is customer ID. The next column is customer name. This customer name is referred from the customer ID and from the customer table using the VLOOKUP function. And the next column is region. It's the same as customer name. It's referred from the customer ID and from the customer table using VLOOKUP. The next is property ID, and the next column is category, and the category is referred from the property ID and from the property table property using VLOOKUP function. For the property address, it goes the same as the category using the VLOOKUP from the property ID, from property ID and property table. The next is sales price. The sales price is referred from the property ID and from the property table property. Next column is discount, and the next column is discount price, and the last column is sales total price. For the discount column, it's referred from the rent year and it's referred from the rent year. It can be seen on the upper right. There is small table that say discount that consists of two columns, rent year and discount. So if the rent year 1 or more, the discount is 0%. For the rent year is 3 years or more, it's 5%. For the rent year is 5 year or more, its discount is 10%. And for the rent is 10 or more or above, discount is 20%. So the discount is referred from the rent here and from the upper right table. The next column is discounted price. Discounted price is sales price times 10% or product 10%, and it shows how much the price that has been discounted. And the last is sales total price column. From the sales total price column, the result is from discounted price times rent year. And at below you can see there is a price range here, which the average is 6.12. The highest range here is 11. The lowest range here is 1, and the transaction that happened in this history is 25 times. For the average we use average function. For the highest using the max function. For the lowest use the min function, and for the transaction this year, the transaction that happened use count function. And let's move to the right from before. There is total transaction using sum, highest total price using max, lowest total price using min, and the apartment transaction this year is the apartment that happened in this year is using conif, and the house transaction this year is using conif2. Thank you.
So the next is pivot profit. On the left side, there is table that show us the profit of each month and the grand total. And the right side, there is graphic that show us about the left side table. And next is pivot total price in region. In the left side, there is table that show us the data or the total price in each region, and there is grand total too. And the right side, there is graphic that show us the details of the left side table. Next is chart. On the left side, there is table that show us the customer name and how long they rent per year. And on the left side, there's graphic that represent the data on the left side.
Okay, thank you for your attention for the presentation, Group 6. If there are wrong this presentation, I want to forgive this wrong, and then thank you for your attention again.